first thing on my mind, and you got me excited. I didn't think it'd come to this, me and you in such a bliss. Now you got me singing you this. But I don't care, I don't care, I just don't care. Look at my face, doesn't look like I care. You might think I'm a loser, but I just don't care. I'm gonna take this chance to say that I love you.
I love you, love you, love you so much. I've never ever saw myself go to this point.
I know it's crazy, babe, if I write you a song, but I just wanna be the one to make you my own. And how rude of me, I didn't even give you the chance to say if you like me. But I don't care, still don't care, I really don't care. I'll say it a million times, I love you, 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 love you. Sent you a text saying I'm a fool. Called you when you said it's cool. I don't care, I still love you, to the point where I feel used. Even so, I still love you. There's nothing that this world can do to take away my love from you. Waking up, I think of you, wondering what I can do, wanting you to love me too. Just wanna hold on to you, cherishing your every move, loving every part of you, even all the things you do, even when you bend the truth. Nonetheless, I still love you, I really do. Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Karim. I hope you enjoyed that music video. It was really fun to make. It takes a lot of guts telling someone you love them, especially in a creative way. So I would hope you share this video, gives it a thumbs up, and tell your friends about it. Maybe they love someone and they just didn't say it yet, so this video might inspire them to do it. Not in a creepy way though. Comment this video and my favorite comment will be featured in my next video. Here is the featured comment from my last video. There. So it's right there. That's the comment. It's cool.